Stop paying for AI tools. I'm serious. While everyone online is fighting over which $20 a month chatbot makes better images or smarter replies, Google just pulled off something wild. They didn't hype it. They didn't launch it on a big stage. They quietly released an entire professional-grade AI ecosystem. And most of it is free. This isn't about writing emails or fixing grammar. This is a full AI factory. The kind of tools researchers, founders, and creators are using to do weeks of work in minutes. Today, I'm breaking down the 6-tool workflow Google doesn't advertise, and how you can use it as an unfair advantage. Let's get into it. Picture this. It's late at night, your exam is tomorrow. You've got textbooks, PDFs, articles, messy notes, bookmarks, total chaos. Instead of panicking, you open NotebookLM. You drop everything in: PDFs, class notes, web links, slides, and instantly it reads, organizes, and understands everything. But here's where it gets crazy. You don't even have to read anymore. You click Audio Overview, and it turns your entire syllabus into a clean, podcast-style explanation. You can walk, stretch, or just rest your eyes while your notes talk to you.
Welcome back to the deep dive. You know, it's funny. Have you ever stopped to think about what's really happening in those tiny milliseconds between you clicking play on a music file or a computer recognizing a face?
Or even when a piece of software just successfully compiles. It's this whole invisible process.
Exactly. It's an invisible world, and that's what we're doing.
If reading doesn't work for you, no problem. Click Video Overview, and it creates a short animated explainer video for complex topics.
You've seen it, right? A self-driving car that spots a stop sign, a medical scanner that can pinpoint a tumor. It all feels a little bit like magic, but it's not. It's this incredible field called digital image processing. So let's pull back the curtain and see how machines are actually learning to see our world one tiny pixel at a time. Let's jump right in with something incredibly high stakes. I mean, look at this. These are brain scans. And inside this data, an algorithm is helping doctors find a tumor. This is machine vision when it absolutely has to be right. And it really brings us to the core question of this whole thing. Yeah, how does a computer look at that?
Hated chapters suddenly make sense. Next morning, you click Mind Map. Boom. One-page visual revision of everything. Final hour before the exam. Click Quiz. It tests you only on your own material. NotebookLM handles your knowledge, but Gemini runs your life. This is not just a chatbot. Gemini connects to Gmail, Google Drive, Photos, Docs, which means it understands your world, not just the internet. Emails, images, handwritten notes, all analyzed instantly. Now add deep research. Instead of Googling, you tell Gemini, how is generative AI impacting startups in 2025 to 2026 with real-world business examples? And it comes back with a structured research report, fully cited. This is not search, this is an AI research assistant. Need visuals? Gemini can generate studio-quality images from detailed prompts, product shots, website hero images, ad creatives. No stock photos, no photo shoots. Now turn that image into video, animate it, add motion, add realism, steam rising from coffee, camera movement, social media ready clips. This alone replaces multiple paid tools. Google AI Studio. Build apps without coding. Now comes the builder side. Google AI Studio lets you create custom tools just by describing them. No coding, no setup. You say, create an app that takes a product name and its features as input and generates engaging Instagram ad copy with emojis, hashtags, and a call to action. And it builds in seconds. You just created a tool your intern would have spent days building. Bonus tip most people miss: the temperature slider. Low temperature equals factual, precise. High temperature equals creative, bold. You control the AI's personality before it even responds. It sees your screen, it speaks back, it gives real-time feedback. This is no longer AI assistance. This is AI collaboration. This is the wild card. Opal lets you build tiny AI apps for annoying tasks. You describe the problem. It builds the solution. Example: create a tool that turns meeting notes into actionable task lists. And just like that, it's done. I drop in my meeting notes and watch this. It automatically turns everything into actionable tasks. Pretty cool, right? Studio builds the brain, but it looks ugly. That's where Stitch comes in. You describe the vibe: minimal, cozy, professional, modern. Create a minimal, cozy, and professional modern app that takes a product name and its features as input and generates engaging Instagram ad copy with emojis, hashtags, and a clear call to action. And Stitch generates a fully designed UI, buttons, layouts, cards, responsive design. You take the logic from AI Studio and the UI from Stitch and combine them. That's a real product. Now you need marketing, and normally that's expensive, time-consuming, and exhausting. Pomelli changes that. With Pomelli, you paste just one website link, nothing else. In seconds, Pomelli understands your brand. It scans and learns your colors, fonts, tone of voice, overall visual style. Then you give it a simple instruction: design a week of scroll-stopping moments for my brand. And Pomelli goes to work. It generates everything for you, fully aligned with your brand. Eye-catching, on-brand images, high-converting captions written in your brand voice, platform-specific posts tailored for each audience. All ready to publish on Instagram, X, LinkedIn. No strategy meetings. No endless revisions. No creative burnout. Just clear, consistent, done-for-you marketing, like having a full agency in a single tool.